Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio in Los Angeles, and today we're going to talk about the hip circles, aka teaser 4, also known as do we have to do those? The hip circles are not the most fun exercise, and here's a little secret that my teacher told me about. She told me, Lesley, don't try to be perfect at the hip circles, just do them. So in other words, it's not like it's a throwaway exercise, it's an exercise that tells you kind of where you are today. So you do them, you get to them, you move through them, don't be geriatric about it, don't try to be perfect about it, just try to do the best you can and do better with each rep. And then ask yourself, after the map's over, what can I do to make that a little more possible? That's all. So the reason I'm telling you this now is that when you try to do these with me, it's gonna be hard and you're gonna wanna inch your way through it, right? And try to be perfect, but it will just make it worse. And you'll hate them and you'll never do them, but they're really fun actually. So if you watch my video on the teaser, you will see how I showed you how to go from teaser into hip circles. So I'm gonna show you how to go from teaser into hip circles again, just in case you missed it. So in theory, we would have done 3 sets of teaser before we get to hip circles. And so we'll assume that this is our last teaser 3. We come up, we go into our final teaser 3, everything goes down, everything comes up, you lift your arms up, you place them back. You don't rest on them, you're reaching back. Then you circle your legs in one direction and then to the other direction. And I should probably try to get them faster, but I'm trying to make them as big as I can without losing my reach in my arms and my lift in my chest. And after 3 times in each direction, you find a teaser, boom, and then you lower it all the way down. Okay? Look, if you can't do your hands back here on the mat like this, you can go a little further out. If you have handles on the mat, you can use those as well. I'm not a big fan of coming down onto your forearms because this ends up happening where you hang into your shoulders, and it doesn't really teach you the same reach into your back that you need when you have straight arms. So I'm more of a fan of getting your arms a little wider before you go so low. That's half the thing, right? You can also just hold it, and that could be a thing. Also, if you practice stomach massage, reach back on the reformer and you then come down and try to do this, you're gonna find it be a little bit more successful, and teaser on the reformer will help this be a lot more successful. If you're really struggling with your hands being back, do your long back arms on the Cadillac. It's gonna strengthen this area and open this chest up, and your small barrel arms will do that as well. So don't skip it and don't modify it to the point that you're not doing any work. Go do the work so you can do this better. I'm Lesley Logan, thank you so much for watching. If you want to feel what this is like to flow in a class, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you.